All right, so let's take a look at number 13. It says two objects are moving according to the formula. S equals that and S equals that. Calculate when the objects are moving at the same speed. So really this is a simultaneous equation question. So S's must be the same. The T's must be the same, otherwise it wouldn't be simultaneous. And all I've got to do is I'm going to use the equivalence method. I'm going to make them both the same. So this is a version of the substitution. So I'm going to state both equations. So I'll write things, so it's exercise 13.02, and we're doing question 13. All right, so I've got S is equal to, and I'll write this out, t squared plus 13t plus 19. And I'm looking at S, that's S1. S2 is equal to 7 plus 5t plus 3t squared. All right, so lots of ways I could do these. I could just subtract them. I could use the equivalence. I could use the elimination method and so on. But I think it's just easier just to use the equivalence method, where I'm going to make, if that's equal to that and this is equal to this, then I can make this equal to that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to write, in fact, let's not even do that. So I can see two ways of doing this easily. One is to make this equal to this whole thing at the top equal to this thing at the bottom, and work my way through and eliminate until I get to t. Let's do that first. So let's take that as the starting point. So I'm going to start off with this one here. So I've got let's have a look at t squared plus 13t plus 19 is equal to 7 plus 5t, and that's a 7 plus 3t squared. All right. So first thing I'm going to, let's have a look. Oh gosh. Okay, well the first thing I'm going to subtract t squared off both sides. T squared and subtract a t squared. So that's that. So I've got 13t plus 19 equals 7 plus 5t. And this is going to be plus 2t squared. That makes life nice and easy. Now I'm going to subtract 13t off both sides. 13t, subtract 13t. So I end up with 19 is equal to 7 plus, what's that come to? 7, or minus 9. What am I doing? Minus 13. Wait, sorry, it's going to be minus 8t, I'm not thinking. Plus 2t squared. Then I'm going to subtract 19 from both sides, and it's going to equal 0. So subtract 19 off there, subtract 19 off there. This is now equal to 0. And 7 minus 19 is negative 12, minus 8t plus 2t squared. Now, let's differentiate this now. So I've got the two distances equal to each other. All I have to do now is find the gradient function of that. In other words, I'm finding the point where they're both going to meet. And the reason we can find the gradient function is because the question basically demands that we do. The question says, find the objects moving at the same speed. Well, now this is the distance. We want the speed of this, so we're going to find the differential of the distance, which will give us speed. So let's go ahead. So we're going to differentiate minus 12 minus 8t plus 2t squared with respect to time. So I put all of that, instead of writing ds, I put s in there, that's s. So there it is. So I'm going to go ahead now. This becomes, well, let's have a look. So that would be minus 8 plus 2 2's are 4t. So 4t is equal to 8. Divide both sides by 4, and t would equal 2. So that would be 2 seconds. So again, you want a statement explaining that, and I think the thing is to go back to the question and state that the two objects will be moving, two objects blah and blah, will be moving at the same speed when t equals 2. Yeah? So that would be one way of doing that. All right. So let me have a look there. Okay, I'll do it the other way as well. So I'll do that in the next video, but that's one way I would do that. I would actually do it a different way, I think. But that is one way. You could do it that way. So I'll put the other way in the next video.